beginner in English speaking, I'm sure that you might not have an idea about how to start a conversation in English. Or if someone is asking you a question in English, you might not know to answer that question. So at this time, you might be an empty-headed person who has no idea about what to say. But I'm here to help you because I'm going to tell you what are the top 10 sentences which you should use. I think it's just an easier sentence which you should use if you are a beginner in English speaking. So I have divided this video into two parts. The first one is question type and the second one is answer type. In the first type, you will know what all questions you have to ask the people if you are a beginner in spoken English. And the second type is answer, which is most commonly asked questions and how you can answer them also. So hello there, what's up people? It's me Jaya. You're watching me on the Expound. Let's get into the video. So when you are having a conversation with someone who is talking fluent English and if you don't understand what they are speaking or if you are a beginner, then the first question which you should ask is, if you don't mind, could you please repeat it? So when you are asking this question, the other person will think that, oh, okay, so I did not explain it to him better and clearly. So he will have this thought in his mind and he will start talking the same sentence again, or he will start explaining to you in a deeper manner. So at this time he will not at all realize that you are not good in English. Second one is, could you please talk slower? So normally you will absolutely understand English clearly if someone is talking to you slowly. So just think that I'm just being blah 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 blah. If I'm just keep on talking like that, you will never understand it. I have recently realized that I have to talk so slowly when I am making videos, because then only you will be able to understand it better. So when you understand it better, you learn better. Now I want you to write down in the comment about any situation which you faced in your life where you didn't even know what to answer to the person. Please do write it down in the comment. Third sentence is, what does dash mean? You can fill any other word in this dash. So at this time when someone is talking and at that sentence you don't know the meaning of that word, so at this time without any shy, without any hesitation, you can interrupt them and ask that what does this mean. So they will absolutely explain it again, because when you don't understand each and every word which is spoken in that sentence, I don't think you will be able to understand it totally. So it's not obvious that you should learn each and every word which is in the dictionary. If you have learned each and every word, then you might be a magician, because no one in this world can learn the meaning of all the words. Because if you just take a single example, you can just rename it in several other ways. Because if you actually talk one word, there are 100 other words are present. And the fourth one is, how can I help you? So if nobody is starting a conversation with you in English, you can ask them with this sentence, which is, how can I help you? So when you are asking someone, absolutely the answer is going to be a huge one, and they are going to explain it in detail. They are going to explain what they want in detail. So you can even listen to that and you can give a quick reply. Next one, you can ask, what do you think? Suppose you're having continuous conversation and the next one you don't know what to say. You don't know the answer for that. So you can straight away ask that, you have told this one, what do you think about that? You have told that one, what do you think about that? So from this, you are making the other person itself answer it again and again. So the more you ask questions, the more you learn. Wait. Since you have reached till here, I just want a little favor from you. Please do make sure that you subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon also, because that will really motivate me in making more videos for you which can help you. And the next sentence can be, hey, what do you do? So at this time they will somehow describe what they are doing in English. So suppose you're going in an office and you just know some people, you can just straight away and you can just ask them, hey, what do you do? And he will start a conversation and you can also continue it like that. Now is the second type, which is the answer type. So suppose someone is talking to you in English and you don't know what to answer. At that time you can just say like, I don't understand what you are saying. Never say that I don't understand English, because that's a huge mistake you're doing, and that's the huge bad impression which you're making in front of the people who is talking to you. Second one, you can say it as, I don't get what you are saying. So the second sentence is kind of formal than the first sentence. And the third sentence you can say like, thanks, that helps a lot. Now I want you to write down some of the answers which you would like to give when someone is asking you some questions. And the next one, that sounds great. So when someone is talking to you, even though you understood only half of the things about what they said, you can just say like, wow, that sounds great. And the next sentence can be, thanks, I really appreciate this. I really appreciate about what all the things you have told me. Or when you actually don't want to make that person understand about what you're saying, you can just say like, never mind, we can talk later. So at this time you're not even disappointing that person, but you are managing that situation. And the final one which you can answer is that, nice to meet you. It was good having a conversation with you. So these are the things which I want to tell you in today's video. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching it till the end from my whole heart. Make sure you subscribe this channel and make or do some comment in the comment section. Thank you so much. Until the next video.